Hello, welcome to technology platform. So today we are going to see get attribute method, how to use it in class and then init method. Let's see. Let me open idle now. So as you know everything, how to create a class. So now see this class. Mm, this is my tutorial. Like that, I am creating a class and then course name Python and then chapters I can say like 10. So that's it, that enough, right? Now see this, I want to create an object, like call my tutorial equal to, now you want to use it, get attr and then pass the class name my tutorial, just copy and paste it. Now I want to just select only course name. See this, if I want to pass this here, then print call my tutorial, you'll see like Python, or else I want to see that chapters and then just print it, you'll see like 10. But I don't know what is the column available. We don't know, right, what columns are available. Now see this, here I'm giving some wrong name, course name, like that I'm giving it because I'm not sure what is the course name. So I can message like column does not exist, like that I'm providing a message. If the column is not present in this class, then it should display like this. Now see this, I want to print it, call my tutorial, it gives like column does not exist. But the same thing, you can give it the right name, course name, then it will give you the proper Python, like that it will give you. So this is what get attribute. But how we can use this in init class, so that is also we can see it, so that it is easy for you to understand. Let me open that too as well. Let's see this now. So already you know very well so how to use the init class and all, but now we want to use the get attribute to produce that. Let's see, let me open it and then I will pass it now. Okay, we can keep the same class my tutorial and then I can say like def init class and then you already know like self comma course name comma chapters. Self is mandatory, so we can say like self dot course name equal to course name, self dot chapters equal to chapters. This is enough. Now you want to pass it here only. So earlier how do we see, like we already passed the variable, now you're going to pass it here only. We can say like call my tutorial equal to my tutorial. You are passing, right, you are passing the values now. So you can say like Python and then 10, you are passing just now only, right? Now see this, now printing get attribute and then open and then call my tutorial and then you can give the name, course name, Let's see this now. Oh, what happened? Call my tutorial. This is correct. Object has no attribute. Like that I'm getting an error message. Oh, sorry, this course name. Yeah, this is what the issue. I'm not giving that right name here. So to avoiding this, I already mentioned like column does not exist. So if you give the wrong name here, oh, that is missing. Single quotes. Now if you see this, column does not exist. Now if you are passing the right name here, you're getting Python. So not only Python, you're just calling now Java 10. Now see this, print of course name. Now you are getting Java. So this is what, how do we use it in def, init, and with the class. So in class you can see I'm just passing the class variables. I'm directly calling that get variable my tutorial and course name, it is printing. But here I'm just defining self course name equal to course name. I'm not passing anything here. I'm just passing here, and then based on this values I'm getting the attribute. So this is what the get attribute. See you in the next class. Bye.